Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nisa and let's get right into the video by opening the Gzl Beauty package. So I ordered Ruby. She gave me some hearts as a free gift, which is very kind, which I've been needing because I can't find my other ones. And then I bought 3 acrylics and then the business card. She literally changes it up each and every time. I will leave their Instagram links down below in the description in case you want to go follow them. And yes, so the 3 acrylics I bought was Be Mine, Sweetheart, and then I forgot the other one. All of her acrylics come wrapped in a layer of plastic, and everything from here on out will be in real time. So this one is called XO. And you guys, these acrylics were gorgeous. This one is Be Mine, and the final one is Sweetheart. And these names are perfect. Hers don't come with a, well, they come with a little safety seal, but it's not like stuck down all the way. And I will be swatching all my swatches on top of the stick and not on the inside, just so you guys can see what the full texture is like. And as you can see with this one, because it has so much glitter in it, you have to kind of like pat it and disperse it a little bit more. But once you get it blending, it is a lot easier to work with, and it's not a difficult powder at all. But you just need to take your time with it a little bit more and really disperse the glitter. Because it is a ton of glitter in this, and I have a feeling that this is going to last you for a long time because you do not need a lot. I'm using the Acrylic Creamery Monomer, and this is a size 6 brush, so that's part of the reason is because it just doesn't hold a lot of monomer. If the brush was bigger and held more monomer, then this bead would be a lot better, but you're not going to build the full nail up with this anyways. You're going to have to encapsulate. So yes, this was a gorgeous glitter, and of course I will be top coating all of them in the end. The next one I'm going to be swatching is Be Mine, and I'm going to let you guys watch, and I'll be back. You can see XOXO had a pink, red, and then a pinky blue shift to it, which is very gorgeous. This one reminds me of Dulce by Bombnails, but it's less pink, more transparent, and the glitter reflect isn't as strong of a silver. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Like you could literally use this as like a filler color any time of the year. Like this is gorgeous. You can add as many layers. The more layers you add, the more pink it's gonna get. So you might have to add a lot of layers to get it like a bright pink, but it's not gonna get that bright in general. So yeah, it does marble a teeny tiny bit, but once you disperse the pigment, it goes to being one shade, and it's like that light translucent pink with a little bit of glitter in it. But yeah, like I said, you can build it up to make it a much stronger pink. But so the final color is called Sweetheart, and it is perfect. It is a white and pink glitter mix with the like open pink hearts and white little specks of glitter. There's like fine glitter in there, some bigger glitters, circular glitters, and everything like that. If she is still in stock, y'all, I highly recommend these glitters. I'm pretty sure they're like $10 each, maybe less, maybe more, and there is discount codes of hers you can find literally all over the place. Like, she's always posting her own discounts, so go ahead and check her out. I will leave her YouTube as well as Top Beauty's YouTube linked up here as well. And that ruby glitter is gorgeous. Again, perfect for Valentine's Day. That one is not an acrylic mix, but typically she sells acrylic mixes and then just the loose glitter, just in case you don't do acrylics. But yeah, so now moving on to the next acrylic swatching. As you can see, this box was a little bit damaged, but it is okay. Here is everything. I only bought 3 acrylics, and she threw in all of these stickers, y'all. So here are the stickers she threw in. Louis Vuitton, and then some Chanel. And then everything was wrapped to perfection. Literally nothing in any one of my packages spilt, nothing broke, none of the containers were chipped, anything like that. So here is the first acrylic. All of my acrylics I bought are 1 ounce. This one is Mixed Emotions. The next one is Deep Love. And finally, we have Soft Girl. And these came with the little tabs you just kind of pull up. They didn't come with the ones that are like sealed down with like the little adhesive, which thank goodness. I hate those other seals. They make everything so messy, like after the fact, because sometimes the lids don't fit all the way. So yes. And I like how like short and stubby these jars are. It's just something about them that I really like. But this is Mixed Emotions, and as you can see, it comes with like a little bit of fine red glitter as well as purple and red hearts in various sizes. As you can see, this acrylic does dry a little bit more faster. Sorry, I was out of frame. I will move into frame a little bit more as I start to finish the swatch. But yes, this acrylic dries faster than the Gzl Beauty ones, but not super, super fast to where you can't move your glitter to where you want it to go. Here is the next color from Ayris Acrylic. It's called Deep Love. And yeah, like I said, you have enough time to move everything where you need it to go. And this formula is very, very nice. Even though it does have a lot of hearts or like bigger glitters, it's literally not too big or not too packed full of glitter to where you still can't move it around. You still can't, like if it's too chunky, the texture is literally going to be not good to where you literally can't blend it. But as you can see, you can blend everything just fine. So I highly recommend Ayris Acrylics. If you're looking for some good glitter mixes, if she's still stocked up, go ahead and get you some. But yes, this is faster than the Gzl Beauty acrylics, but it's not too much faster, but it still gives you enough time to work around with it. But at the same time, it doesn't like slide all over the place and like flood the nail. And yes, y'all, I recorded this little part like 5 times and it did not save. So I really hope that this saves, because I was practically having a conversation with myself and it was very like what. But as you can see, like I literally even picked up a bead of clear here to kind of encapsulate a little bit, and it worked perfectly fine. This next color, which I went ahead and wiped down the swatch stick just so it could stick a little bit better, and it worked. It's called Soft Girl, and it is literally the exact same as Sweetheart from Gzl, except for the fact that it doesn't have the hearts in it. So it's literally like the same circular hexagonal mix with the small glitters in it, but it's just the pink and white glitters, not any of the hearts. So if you like that glitter, but let's say you don't like the hearts, go ahead and get this one. All my swatches are in real time. So now I'm going to be using the Natali Carmona top coat. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and give the nails a wipe down with some 100% acetone, and just wipe the nails down because it makes the nails incredibly glossy. If there's not a thick enough layer of clear on your little swatch stick, don't worry about it. But on a real nail where you would be encapsulating, it would be just fine. But I went ahead and wiped it down anyways, and look how clear it is. Like, this is like the perfect jelly color. It's not too pigmented, but at the same time you can get it there, and obviously it's visible and you can still see that pink tint. You could even get like those transparent pink colors, put a layer of that, and then go ahead and put this color on top of it, and then it would be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and finish top coating, and then I'm going to cure them for a full 60 seconds, and then I will be back. We starting off with Gzl Beauty. This is Be Mine. Next up, we have XOXO. I loved all the glitters here. Next, I have Sweetheart, and that will be all from Gzl Beauty. Next up, we have Ayris Acrylics. This is Deep Love. Next, we have Soft Girl, and as you can tell, it is a tiny bit different from Sweetheart. And here we have Mixed Emotions. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.